Who goes there? G'day, Greg Miller from the Joy of Wood. Swords and shields. We love these. We've made lots of these. Hundreds of kids have made these with us, but not in this style. This is very cool. Look at that. A curved shield. This is a rectangular one, like a Roman style. Lots of the shields we've done in the past have been like this, made from plywood with a handle on the back. But our challenge through COVID-19 has to be able to put together kits that are easily mailed out. And this tube has a sword and shield in it. Awesome, hey? I'll show you how we do some of this. Let me show you first what's in the kit. It's pretty amazing. To make the sword in whatever style you want to make, the two pieces of wood required for that are found right here. So they are in the tube. The shield, as you see with this one, is made up of 5 boards. These ones are angled. We've got these 4 cleats, the end cleats, the cleats that hold the handle, and the handle itself. So all of those bits are right here. So there's the 5 boards to make up the shield. There's the 2 cleats for the ends, and there's the 2 cleats for the handle. And of course, we have the handle. How's that? So in addition to that, we have a leather strap. That is for a different version to this. That's where we have the handle, that's one I prepared earlier, offset. So the arm strap goes there, so you wear the shield on your forearm rather than just holding it in your hand. So that's another alternative. So the leather strap comes with it. And as well as that, we've got the 2 different size nails, the different types of screws, and even the drill bit, everything in there. The other thing which is in the kit, of course, are the plans. Pretty cool, eh? So there's 3 pages of plans here, and that just goes through how to put this together and shows you the different options, the way you want to do it. So is your sword going to be a double-edged sword like this, or is your sword going to be more like a saber with that curved blade? All that stuff is in here. How's that, eh? What an awesome project.